Welcome to JSJ Goat Farm. Here in our videos, we will show you how we do things in the farm and keep you updated with the latest technologies we are using.
154 was born on the 1st of October. I know that because I was looking at this.
They all have dark head
Yeah.
compared to last year.
Yeah.
Born October?
154 is. Vance is old. The guy with the blue tags are older. The guys with the yellow tags are younger.
How much is the months difference? Yeah.
2.
2 months.
That one?
That one?
Yeah, and
167 is the one right on the end. But I'm not sure about him. If his mum is young, I'd let him go because I can make another one. But the other two,
this two. Yeah.
his mummy's very old and I'm really fond of her. She's really bred well for me her whole life. And she's always given me girls. So this is the first son I've had, so I have to keep it.
How about this one?
82.
That's 82.
82.
Yeah.
82 is for sale. 140.
$60.90. To? Yon, Don. What's the air tag number of that one?
This one here,
Yeah.
220.
220? Even the alpha, the big soul, the big cat,
Yeah.
so it will continue to grow.
6 or 7 years. So you, when like down the back of my farm is very flat like this too. Like you go over that hill, you go over another hill, and then it's very flat down the back like this. And we would cut 4 times a year or 5 times a year if it kept raining. We'd get 5.
Give us your base price.
All up is 7 here. We could make it 60. We'll show those.
Look at him. Oh, no wonder it's been moving.
Before they started up.
Ganda ng bayan. Beautiful.
Yes. 509 install and 620.
The rest of them are available.
Each.
Some are almost, some were born Andun daw sa kabila. No. I just said hi, baby.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please do us a favor and like and subscribe this video.